seen someone so excited about Windows. You make Windows exciting.
California Deluxe Windows is a kind of unique company. It was designed not to repeat anything that all the mass-produced assembly line window does, but create a product that has unique features. Everything we make here, we take your order, you tell us what you would like to see. It's a variety of colors, variety of shapes, variety of styles. One of the unique things that our company represents is we do everything from the very beginning to the very end. Designing it, manufacturing, and installation. Our installers are so skilled that your house can be covered with potato chips and we wouldn't crack one. We started the company in March of 1999. I remember how I helped my father when I was 10 years old painting windows every summer. It was wood windows, and my oldest son was living in California, and one day he invited me and we started to talk about something really special. And that's how the idea of creating custom manufacturing, no assembly line, no mass production. They come here, I show them what we do and demonstrate it. Look at this little thing, right? Most people don't even see it. It's so little. And we made it. You know why? Because that prevents the window from opening. So you can have fresh air all night. Our window's absolutely quiet. It's so tight, it's designed in such a way that you don't hear any noise, any rattling, any dust doesn't come through, and it's safer than most windows in the industry. As long as you live in this house, you never will have to change the window.
So pretty much all of your windows are just extremely versatile, right?
Yes.
That's what it sounds like to me. They just don't open and close.
No.
They do backflips, what you want them to do.
One lady said, what else your windows can do? I said, our windows do everything except cooking dinner.
We did the two sliding doors we have here, and all the windows in the house are done. Every single one, and we're all happy with it. So I think the house looks great. I mean, from the outside, you can tell the difference. I would highly recommend them more to my neighbors.
So I got thousands of hugs from happy customers. You know, I'm from Eastern Europe where we hug. So some people discovered that and they hugged me at the weddings and they hugged me at different places because they were very happy how it's all turned out.